When I tell y'all this is the best self-care I've done in a while, I mean it. So I got this s'mores kit from the TikTok shop. It's going to be right down below so y'all can go ahead and get it. This is perfect for a date night or, like I said, just self-care by yourself. Today I decided that I needed some fresh air. I've been dealing with a lot. I've been emotionally out of whack. Like, it's just been so much going on, and I just need to step outside and pick up an activity to do that'll make me think about my childhood and put me in a good space. So this is everything that comes in a kit. It's everything for you to make some s'mores. You can also just go to the store and buy more marshmallows, because I would prefer to have 2 marshmallows on each one, because it is a lot of chocolate and I like a lot of marshmallows. And y'all, I like my marshmallows burnt. It was so nice out. It was a little windy, so I had to turn away to light the flame. But once it got started, y'all, it did great. Like, it actually started to spread throughout the canister. We gonna call it that. I don't know what to call it, but that's what we gonna call it. And make sure you get all the plastic out the way. You don't want nothing to get melted or anything like that. And I just had this on the table set up. It was so easy for the cleanup after, and I really enjoyed myself. Like, I felt like back in the day when I used to go camping with my family. So it really just put me in a great headspace, and I was able to just get some time to myself, enjoy the fresh air, just feel free. It wasn't a lot going on. I just was able to focus on what I was doing and kind of take away from reality, and I really enjoyed this, and it was something that I really needed. And this only took me 10 minutes. And this is how my s'mores turned out. They were really good. Make sure y'all get this kit and give yourself a little bit of self-care. Just take 10 minutes.